My name's John Erickson, reading for the role of Mark Levins, located in Los Angeles, California, standing in at 6 feet tall. I can in fact work in San Diego as a San Diego local. I have family living there. No additional time or expense during the shoot dates. The subject matter is very important. It's been in the news the last several years. It's been an issue for longer than that. We need to bring more attention to what's going on with immigration, border control, citizenship, naturalization, people's rights. People are people, regardless of where they're from. Should be treated as such. So, love to be a part of this, bring a lot of love and life to Mark, and yeah, see how it goes. Thanks so much.
He just looked, suspicious. Plus, he had an accent.
Latin X?
More like I'd say Arab.
That true?
Yeah, but I took a picture.
You mind? I know what you're thinking. It's practically gift wrapped, isn't it? Just let me put a bow on it for you, huh?
Jesus, sit down. These lone wolf assignments, they're unhealthy. You need a partner. Or a break. Or both.
All due respect, Deputy D, we both know that's not in the budget. Besides, I like working alone. I can hear myself think. Want to know what I think? I think this case is a ticking fucking time bomb.
Leave the beer alone. That's an order. Excuse me.
What's this?
Hello, Mark. My name is Diane. I'm new on staff as a counselor.
Whoa, gonna have to stop you right there, dirty Diana. See, my job is to go out there and catch the bad guys, which doesn't leave me a lot of extra time to hang out in here and validate your new on staff job with idle chit chat about my feelings, okay? Show and tell day, cupcake. It's hot in here. Woo! It's so nice to finally have your attention. You've been distant.
What's wrong with you, man?
Nothing is wrong with me. The day after the raid, why'd you return to the motel?
My motorcycle. I want it back.
Right. Your hog. That's it, huh?
Yes.
You're a tough nut to crack, DeBeery. But I'm a tough nutcracker. What are you looking for?
My boots.
Your boots. These boots? Come on!